I'm live, I'm live. Oh, God, I'm a mess. Hello, everyone. If you're popping in and watching this after I've gone live, mwah, big hugs to you. Okay, let's see here. Today, I decided to get online and play with some Milani, because I have not worked with any of their products for years. But to start off with, we're going to do some little skincare prep here. And because of the fact that I'm going to be trying out again. Oh, good one. Good one. Oh, geez, I almost fell over. Hang on here. Just a minute. Nope, 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 wrong button. Wrong button. Anyways, what I was going to say is because of the fact that I am, again, going to be trying out the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. I want to try that out again. I'm going to do my skincare prep with Tatcha. So what the heck? Let's start with the Essence. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. I know this isn't drugstore, but we're going to use it anyways. Let's get all this hair out of the way. Oh my God, my hair is such a mess. Oh, right now, I don't care if it's a mess or not. Okay, so how are you guys doing? I have spent the last 3 days, well, since Easter, sicker than a dog. I picked up a nasty stomach virus. That just made me feel... That's how come I haven't had any videos up, so I apologize for that. But I will have one coming as soon as I'm done recording today. I'm going to start editing. But boy, I'll tell you, if there's one thing that takes me out of commission, it is a stomach virus. Oh. You just don't want to do anything. Okay, so that's the Essence by Tatcha. I am testing these. When it comes to skincare products, I always test them for a length of time as opposed, you know, I don't do first impressions on skincare products. So I've been testing these for a while now. And now, let's move to, this is another Tatcha product. This is called Radiant. I really like this one so far. This is a deep brightening serum. And there's the container for that. You guys, please let me know if the picture is not coming through clear or if I'm having any kind of signal interruption. I'm trying again on my iPad because I can see people's messages easier than on my iPhone. Oh, I love the feel of this. It just makes my skin feel so nice. So nice. So what's on schedule for today? Today, God, look at me. I'm such a mess. Oh, Lord. Today, Bree and I are going to be recording our beauty boxes. And boy, we have a lot of them to record. Actually, I want to go down my neck. Now, I'm going to be trying a foundation for the first time here that I've never tried before. So normally I would do this like on a foundation over Friday or something, but I figured since we're doing Milani, let's do Milani. Did somebody just send a message? I wish there was a way for me to see messages. Hang on, can I see them this way? Show chat messages. How do I see them? You know, I tell you, I want to be able to live stream using my laptop, but every time, because that way I can actually, you know, see running messages and stuff, but every time I've tried it, it says I have to download some frickin' something or other. I have to download some drivers or something, and I cannot for the life of me find where to get these drivers at. Anyways, okay, so here's how this comes, and you guys will see this in the foundation over 40 that will be up later today, more than likely, because I recorded, and it comes like this. You can see where I already scraped some out there with the little doohickey it comes with. But today, I think what I want to try is just on half of my face so I can see if it actually makes a difference. Anyways, I cannot find these drivers that YouTube says you need to have. So if anybody happens to know anything about that, I'd sure appreciate if you let me know, because I'd love to use my laptop. This stuff feels so nice on the skin. It has that typical... I don't like digging it out with this thing, though, because you never know how much you're getting. But, oh, it's just half the face. Half the face, Shelby. When I used it in the Tom Ford video I just did, I made the mistake of putting it on my entire face, so couldn't tell whether it made any damn difference or not. So if it makes the difference here, I'm going to look a little funky, but that's okay when doing that. I'm good at looking funky. And they said you can use this on your eyes, on your lips, everywhere. So that's what I'm going to do. Feels really nice. But, you know, it's funny because it feels more like a moisturizer to me. Where is my damn camera? Is the camera over? The camera must be... Okay. That's what happens when you record using stuff you're not used to. I don't know where the hell you're coming or going. Okay. So, that was the Tatcha Silk... What the hell is this called? The Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. Okay, now let's get the Milani. Oh my god. And as you guys can see, I have way too much to possibly ever use in this video. So, let's see here. I have the Baked Bronzer, this is number 9 Dolce. So I think I'll try that one today, because I think I only have one bronzer. Oh, and I picked this one up. I found this. This is the new Conceal and Perfect in 01 Fair to Light. And this claims to have a corrector as well as concealer. These look way too dark for concealers, but we'll try them. Here's the foundation. And I think this is the eyeshadow palette I'm going to try using today. This is, let's see here, 08 Must Have Metallics. Very pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. And then, similar to the Wet n Wild that I did, this is a contour and highlight. It's like a stick and a liquid. So we'll try that. And then we've got the Prep Set and Glow Illuminating Transparent Powder. Well, here's another one. This is called Strobe Light. It's number 1 Afterglow. That's a highlighter. Where the hell is the foundation? And I have several blushes. I'm going to be putting some of these in a giveaway because I'll never use all this. I don't even know why I bought all this. So I'll be doing a drugstore giveaway in the future. But I might as well show them to you guys. Oh god, there's so much here. Okay, so this one is beautiful. I don't know if you can see it has like, it's a coral blush with gold shimmer in it. You're gonna throw a fit. Okay. And this is number 8, Coralina. Funny, it kind of reminds me of Coralista by Benefit. And this one is very shimmery. It's like a a number 1 Dolce Pink. Let's see here. Number 12 Bella Bellini. I don't know if you guys can even see these. I know, Brie. I know. And let's see what this one is. Number 10 Deliziazo or something pink. I don't know. And then I picked up one of their, actually I think I have 2 of these. Where's the other one? Yeah, there we go. 2 of their newer blushes. These are kind of neat looking. This is number 1 Pink Play. That's pretty. This one does not look like a, I don't know if this would be too dark for me or not. And this one is 04 Berry Rays. And then I got one of their flower blushes. This is 08 Tea Rose. God, those are pretty. Look at that. That's so pretty. Okay, this looks like one big shimmer block. This is number 2 Candlelight, and this is called a Spotlight. It just says Spotlight. Face and Eye Strobe Palette. It's so pretty though. Look at that. Ooh, pretty, pretty. I still cannot find the foundation. So let's keep going. And then we have some singles in here. Eyeshadows. This is number 8 Bella Espresso, or no, number 6, sorry. Number 6 Bella Espresso and number 9 Bella Navy. I have a bunch of Rimmel stuff in here too, so that's why I'm having to dig through this. Let's see here, and then I got the anti-feathering lip liner. I'm really anxious to try that and see if it actually works. We have NYX in here too. Where the hell's the foundation? There it is. I don't know if this is going to work. As a matter of fact, I'm almost positive this is going to be too dark, but this is Milani's Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. And I picked this up in the shade 01 Creamy Vanilla. I think they have lighter shades now, but of course I purchased it before they came out with the lighter shades. I can't wait to try these. I have all these Rimmel, aren't these Rimmel? Yeah, all these Rimmel palettes. I have all 3 of them, and they're so pretty. Look at that. I can't wait to try these. Okay, and then I have a load of lip products. Hang on here. I gotta put this stuff down. Good Lord. Oh, I forgot about that. This is their oil. This kind of reminds me of the ones I love so much from Clarins. These are the Clarins lip oils I absolutely love. Milani has their version of it. Forgot all about this. And this is number 3. Rejuvenating Peach. We'll try that. Hang on, I'm just getting all the lip products. Oh, and I also picked up their eyeshadow primer. Good God. I think I just pick them up as if I don't have enough. Now I don't have a lip liner from them, so I might try one of these. These are from Rimmel. So since I don't have a Milani lip liner, I might use one of those. Okay, I'm going to put all this back and then we'll get started. Get started. Oh, and I could not find eyebrow products, so I'll just have to use my eyebrow product. Oh my God. Okay, so I don't know if you guys really want to see all these or not, but I might as well show them to you. What the hell? Okay, so this is Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream and my hair, and this is number 10. I can't read it. It's number 10. And then we have the same thing, Metallic Lip Cream. Oh, come on now. My hair. And this is in the number 14. Very pretty. And another Metallic Lip Cream in the number 15. Apparently I went wild on these. Another one, Metallic Lip Cream number 1. Ooh, I like that. Shiny goldy pink. And Metallic Lip Cream number 6. Good God, how many of these did I get? And metallic lip cream in number 2. And of course my phone decides to ring now. And another one in number 4. That's those ones. Well, that's interesting. These are all metallic lip creams too. Well, I guess, oops. I guess Milani must have just, maybe they came like this before and now they're coming like this. Because these are all called metallic lip creams as well. Okay, so this is number 5. Number 7. Didn't I just have a number 7? Nope, I guess not. I thought I said, nope, okay. Number 3 and number 6. So that's the lip. I don't have any room on my desk now. And then I actually picked up one of the lipsticks. One. Oh my god, that smells good. Oh wow, that smells really good. This is in number 26, Nude Creme. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like a juicy fruit. Or I mean, no. It smells like a Jolly Rancher. Oh, yum. Okay. Now that we got all that done, I probably should have taken the wrappers off all this crap earlier because it's going to take forever, but oh well. First, I want to try the corrector in this. I don't think any of these are going to be light enough. I mean, look how dark. Especially compared to my skin tone, this one might. But let's go ahead. I'm just going to use my fingers. I like my fingers. I'm just going to put a corrector on first. I wonder if I turn this light on. Oh. Is that too bright, you guys? I cannot see a damn thing. Let me know if that's too bright, if it's flashing me out, because then I'll figure something else out. Maybe if I turn it like that, it won't be so bad. I need a bigger desk. I just don't have enough room for everything. Oh, that's... Oh my god, you know what I forgot to do? I knew I would. I knew it. I just knew it. Forgot to wet my beauty blender. I'm sorry, guys. I'll be right back. I just damn well knew I was going to do that. Do it every time I go live. Every time. Every damn time. Okay. Beauty blender. I want to put some of this on. I have not used Milani products in so many years. So, oh, it's got the same damn applicator as the Clarins one. Oh, that smells good. I seriously, guys, I can't believe this, because, I mean, obviously it's going to be a different product inside, I hope, considering how much I pay for these. But, that is too, look at that. It is literally the same applicator. How ironic is that? I mean, this one's a little, the Clarins one's a little poofier. It's a little softer, but still. Oh, God, I love these, though. If you guys are looking for incredible oils, these Clarins lip oils, oh my God, I love them so much. But they're like 26 bucks a piece. These Milani ones, I think, are $7.99, if I remember correctly. You guys notice drugstore prices going up major? I love the way these fit to the lip though. Look at that. Wow, this feels really similar, you guys. I mean, this feels really similar. Wow. I don't know if, you know, I haven't seen it. They used to have like 4 or 5 flavors of those, but I haven't seen them, so I don't know if they still carry them or not. Okay, back to the Schmei balls. That literally feels, oh, my bangs are going to drive me absolutely effing nuts. Tuck them in up there. Yeah, I'm just looking grand right now. But hey, give me a break. I've been sick. Wow, that corrector's, it definitely has some coverage to it. Of course, why I'm putting it all over, I have no clue. Let's see if it'll cover up this little discoloration. I bonked myself on the head up here, so just one of my lovely klutzy moves. I'm going to put a tiny bit on my eyelid. So far this feels really creamy, which is nice for me. If you have oily skin, it might not be, but with how dry skin I have, I cannot use products that are, you know, that are really drying, because they'll just turn my old skin into old looking skin. You know what I mean? Wow, that corrector, I mean, that I just put just a tiny bit on, and it really took out like the blue of my eyelids. So let's just take our beauty blender and pounce it all in, smooth it out. That's impressive. I really like that. So far, so good. Wow. Okay, the thing I'm most afraid to try is the foundation, because from what I hear of this foundation, it is extremely full coverage. They say it's lightweight, has an oil-free formula, it's long-wearing, it's water-resistant, and sweat-proof. Now that appeals to me drastically. For those of you that don't know, I'm 49 years old, and when you reach that age, you go through a lovely thing called menopause, and you sweat like a mother sucker. So having a foundation that claims to be sweat-proof, I'm on board with that. Okay, we have to take, you guys know me. Da-da-da! Not sponsored! Ow. My favorite drink. The worst thing in the world I should be drinking. Oh, God. Coke to me is like coffee to my daughter. Can't live without it. Okay, so let's give this a try. I am going to get my foundation brush, because as usual, I want to try half of it with foundation, half my face with half with foundation. Good one, Shelby. Half my face with the Beauty Blender and half with the Morphe E6. So let's see. Oh my God. Hey, sweetie. Well, that's wonderful. I'll have to look it up, Ivory. That's because I put tracking on them, so that's why I sent you guys the tracking, so you could keep an eye out for when it was coming your way, hun. But I don't know. Okay, but I'll have to look into it later when I'm all done recording. That's unfortunate. Oh my God, that is such the wrong color. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh well. Oh wow. You guys, this color's not even close. Turn the light on. I'll look into it when I'm done here, hon. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. No way. Okay, well, we're scrapping the Milani foundation, guys. Hang on. God, this sucks. Because Nope. And this really bites because now I have to frickin' reapply everything. God. You know, this is what I'm talking about with, you know, it's not just people that have darker skin that have trouble finding foundation shades. I mean, this is, at the time I bought this, I don't know if they have a lighter shade now or not. I think they might. But this is 01 Creamy Vanilla, and this is probably like 4 shades too dark for my skin tone. I'm that white. Okay, well, I'm just going to take off everything here and start over, because on this side of my face, I mean. Wow, that sucked. Okay. And naturally, that was the side of that I put the Tatcha primer on, so sorry for the delay here, folks, but there's no way I can wear that. It's, you know, if I wasn't recording today and I just was playing around, then that'd be one thing, but there's no way I am going on camera with something that dark, because even if I blend that all the way down my neck, it's, yeah, not gonna work. Okay, so we're starting over with a skincare prep, which first is Tatcha the Essence again. And Tatcha Radiant. God, I love this stuff. Oh my God, this feels so good on my skin. My skin just drinks this stuff in. If you have dry skin, I'll tell you, you know, there's not a whole lot of products I've worked with skincare wise that are as gentle on my skin as these Tatcha products are, but that actually manage to make a difference. Because everything that, you know, I've tried that claims it's, you know, gentle or for sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin, but anyways, they don't seem to really do a whole lot. At least that's been my experience so far. But these Tatcha products I've been working with, they cause no irritation to my skin at all. And they feel just incredible. Okay, now we're going back again to the Silk Canvas Primer. That was a whole waste of product there, I'll tell you. And rather than digging some out like I did last time, I'm going to dig it out because I don't want to put my fingers in it. Damn it! I give you this little doohickey here to dig it out with. I'm curious how long this is going to last, because this is, I think, around $50 mark if I'm not. Are you serious? And I just flipped it upside down on my table. One of those days. Putting it on both fingers, which makes no sense because it's only going on half of my face. And again, I'm going to put it under my eyes because they claim that you can use this under your eyes, on your lips. Well, you're supposed to warm it up between your fingertips. That's why I did that. Oh, this feels so lovely. And it smells just like, if you have any idea, if you've used any Tatcha products, this smells identical to their skincare. Same, it reminds me of a soap when I was younger. I know it sounds horrible, but it's, you know, it's a nice light fragrance. And boy, it just feels, oh, it feels so nice. I think today I'm just going to go back to my, this is what I hate about this thing though, is like this instance I've got way too much, but you know, it's not like you want to scrape it off that thing and put it back. Well, let's just go ahead and, what the heck. What the heck? I got my forehead good. Let's hit the smile lines extra hard. And around my lippies. Oh, it feels so nice. Funny, I can even see a smoothing difference just with the light, the way the light's hitting my skin. Oh, I can see a huge difference in my pores. Hang on, let me turn this off. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it or not. Yeah, probably not with the lighting. Wow. Okay, moving on. Anyways, what I was going to say, I think today I'm just going to use my tried and true Lancome foundation because I know the color matches me. I know how it performs. And this is garbage. That's going to garbage. Okay, so let's put on a little more. I can't get over this lip oil though. This feels like the Clarins one. Oh wow. It really does. That is really weird. Okay. So, oh, I need to go back to the corrector now. God, what a nightmare having to redo everything. I do like this a lot so far. Obviously, this is the first time I've used it, but it really cancels out. I mean, it really cancels out the color. Probably kind of hard to see with the bright light flashing, but God, I can't. That's the thing that sucks about recording. That's why I want to try and figure out how to record on my laptop, because it doesn't have, the camera's not as sensitive to light as these Apple products are. I mean, like my iPhone, yeah, they're so incredibly sensitive to light. And I hate the fact that every time somebody calls me, like someone just did, it interrupts my live stream. Okay. There, we're back where we were. A little spongy action. Yeah, I really like that so far. I'll be curious to see how the concealer in that works. Okay, so I'm just going to use my Lancome Tinted Oil because I love this foundation. And ready? And I'll just go over with my Morphe Y6. I find I love this brush. Absolutely love it. It just applies product beautifully. It doesn't bring up the areas, you know, where you have dry skin. Okay, I'm not going to try that again. A lot of brushes that I've used. Oh, I should have taken out. Oh well. I got a couple of the Artiste brushes I want to try, and I got those to review. But like, for instance, a lot of times, you know, if you have dry skin, I'm sure you've had the problem before when you use an actual brush to apply your makeup, how it can sometimes pull up the dry skin and just, yeah, not look good. That's how come I think a lot of people, especially people with dry skin, really fell in love with a beauty blender. But like, it doesn't, this brush, for whatever reason, especially if I start off like I'm doing here, patting the foundation into my skin, I mean, I don't even necessarily need to go back and, you know, and blend it in. I mean, just patting it in with this brush works beautifully. God, I love this foundation. I need to get the other one, though, that doesn't have denatured alcohol in it, and I keep forgetting to order it. This has beautiful coverage. It wears really light on the skin. Just a beautiful foundation. And look at that, it's actually light enough for me. I can't believe how white I am. It's almost just a disgrace. Okay, there. Now let's hope we don't have any more disasters. I don't even think, I was thinking I'll give that to Bree because it's full coverage. She can't wear that. It's too dark for her even. Oh, is it hair? Okay. Can always count on this foundation to pull through for me. I'm telling you, just love it. Okay, what should we do next? What should we do next? Let's try, so that I can get to setting, the other colors in here. Too dark. Way too dark. Come on, just to have one of them work for me, please. Let's see where I can try. I'm going to try it somewhere where it won't wreck everything if it doesn't work. Oh, maybe it's... The one looks like it's light enough. Not that I want to emphasize my damn chin. Let's try. Down the smile lines and see. Of course, I'm just putting cream product there so it can sink in. It's very, very creamy formula. I just bought it, hun. I'm gonna record a foundation over 40 on it. I finally, I think, found a shade light enough for me, so I'm anxious to try that one for sure. Yeah, I guess it's light enough. What the heck? We'll just try it here. Yeah, I can't wait to try that one because I've heard, I was gonna do that today actually. I have, believe it or not, look at this. I have an entire box of Physicians Formula here. See, I'm telling you, and here they are right here. So like I said, I was going to record this today instead of, I was going to try those today instead of Milani. So it's funny you mentioned that, because there they are sitting there. I was going to use them, but decided to go with the Milani instead. Oh, that's really thick under my eyes. Yeah, isn't that funny? Oh, I don't like that. Okay, let's see if we can damage control here a little. Sorry. Don't like this over the corrector in it. I really like. Now, if you have younger skin, probably wouldn't be an issue at all. But I do not like the way that concealer is just too thick for my skin. Let's see if I can kind of try and blend it and work it into my skin a little. Oh yeah, it's really heavy looking under the eyes. Ugh. Oh, good Lord. Let's, I'm not going to use this under my eyes, so I'm just going to get my by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder for under my eyes. I love this powder. Oh my god, I love this powder. There are very few powders that I can use to set under my eyes and on my eyes without feeling, without it just, drying out and sucking every bit of moisture out. But this powder is wonderful. I don't know what they did in this powder to try it, to make it like this, but wow, I love it. Does not dry my skin out at all. But you don't get very much at all. Let's put a little on my forehead here. Set those wrinkles. You don't get a lot, but man, I love it. But then, you don't need a lot either. That's one thing I've noticed with this particular powder. Like a lot of other powders I've used, not only do they dry the hell out of my skin, but I need so much of it, and this powder just works beautifully. Okay, now let's try something else here and hope it's not a disaster. Where is, I'm going to try this contour stick. Contour stick. Contour and highlight. What do you guys suggest I do with, like for instance, you know, I buy so much makeup. One of our subscribers suggested that I start a page where, like a little storefront page where I, you know, put up things like this that I've just, let's try here, hang on here, you know, things that I've just like swatched or what have you, or that are the wrong color, or just, you know, bottom for review or whatever. What do you guys think of that? I mean, a lot is because I don't like giving, you know, I don't like giving away something that that isn't sealed. You know, I want, people are going to get it and they know that, you know. Anyways, I was just thinking maybe that might, you know, if it's something you guys really want, then, you know, I could certainly do that and, you know, put stuff up that I don't use anymore for a lot cheaper than it is in the store, you know. Hey, sweetie, how you doing, Jess? Oh. Okay. There's both my girls that won the palettes from Instagram. Okay, let's see. Well, let's try blending this in first and see how it works. I really like the Wet n Wild one, but boy, I did not like how it broke right away. So let's see how this one holds up. Seems to be blending okay. My forehead is not blending good. Here it did real nice here, but God, my hair is just such a mess. Sorry guys, just ignore it. I know I just got my hair done and here I come on here looking like a freight train mess. Well, it's, you know, I would say it blends in. It blends in good. It's not as creamy as the Wet n Wild one. Believe it or not, I think I like the Wet n Wild one more. Oh, my nose is just running like crazy. But it works. I mean, you know. Oh, did you get it? Well, I'm so glad you like it, sweetie. I'm telling you, if the only thing that, in my opinion, CoverGirl needs, they got to come out with a bigger shade range in that, because the only reason I don't wear it as like my go-to foundation, do ya? The only reason I don't wear it as my, you know, go-to foundation is because it's too dark. And they don't have any lighter shades. But it's a beautiful foundation. And for the price, I'm telling you. You know, every time we go to the store, I mean, Bree can attest to this, I always snoop through, you know, what's new. You guys wouldn't believe. I have literally containers like this. I mean, this is what I'm saying. You know, I could sell, you know, because a lot of this I buy just, yeah. You know, like a lot of this I purchased just to review for you guys, and then I'll never use it again. You know, I use it one time and then that's it. But like these here, I mean, look, I even forgot to use the damn coupons. Every one of these stupid things still has the coupon on it. Anyways, but like these here, these are like $14.99. Oh, wow. I mean, I couldn't believe it. Of course, there was a $3 off coupon on it. But anyways, I mean, but like I have boxes full of not only drugstore foundation to try for you guys, but of high end. I mean, you wouldn't believe if you saw my makeup room right now, you guys. I need more time than I have. I guess, you know, this isn't my full-time job, so it's, for those of you that don't know, I have a full-time career. That's why I don't, you know, if this was my full-time job, I'd be able to post every day, but it's not, so. Okay, let's see if I can blend that in, or if I just made a disaster mess. What's up, Breebles?
My green bean wants to hang out.
Well, you made a commitment to me today. Oh, I'll have to take a peek at that. I don't think I've tried, I think I've only tried like maybe 1 or 2 Algenis products. You need to get ready. Sorry, Breeze right here. You need to get ready. You made a commitment to Mom to record our beauty boxes today. So hurry up.
So no?
Green bean can hang out after you do that. Does she want you to come up there or something?
I don't know.
This is going to be way too dark. I just...
You want to call
Look
it
at that lovely one I just made there. You can see I'm in the middle of something, right?
Yeah.
That I'm live streaming right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So how about you go get ready so that we can do what you made a commitment to Mom to do today, since you're on spring break. And then when I'm done here, I'll talk to her and we'll find out, okay? But we're still going to record today because I need to get those up. Right, you guys? You've been wanting to see Brie on the channel. I told her now. School's not in...
There I am.
Go get ready. You gotta keep your commitments, girl. Oh. Wow.
No. Now I'm sad and I don't want to.
It doesn't matter. You made a commitment. You're gonna stick to your commitment. Bree, thanks for the giveaway. She just says, hurry up. You know, I don't know why people don't like cream products more. Because I'll tell you, especially when you have dry skin, they just blend in so nice. You know, I really like this so far. Where'd my beauty? Oh, there it is. I just don't get the aversion to cream products. I really don't. Because I'll tell you, I have, you know, some of the products that I use, some of my favorites are creams. I think that has, maybe that has part to do with getting older too, you know, when you get dry skin. Oh. Well, I think that blended in really nice. Except for you can see a damn line there. That's my fault, not the product. Okay, I think I'm done with, but like for instance, you know, the other thing is too, like I purchase, you know, I forget how much I buy of stuff, and like I'll never use all these. I mean, you know, this one here is probably too dark for me. So I think I just need to, Jess, I think you're the one that suggested that to me actually, to put stuff up, like do a, like a blog sale type thing. Okay, let's try this. This is the Prep Set and Glow Illuminating Transparent Powder. Oh boy, I'm scared. Did you tan, huh? Lucky you, I don't tan. Let's see how illuminating this is. I don't know if I want to put it all over my face. Oh, it's pretty illuminating. Okay, well, let's do this. I'm just going to take this big Morphe E41. This is one of my favorite brushes right now. And let's just real lightly. And hope I don't glow too much everywhere. Actually, that's really pretty. test will be, my cheeks, you know, the test will be here on the wrinkles. Have you guys noticed how drugstore prices are going up and up and up? I'll tell you, I walk into the drugstore, because like I said, I'm always, you know, every time I go to the store, I'm always peeking to see what's new and what's on the shelves. And I'm telling you, I'm seeing stuff drugstore for 20 bucks on the shelf now. And I'm like, what the, seriously? I mean, that, you know, I think about how when I was younger, I mean, drugstore's what got me through. That's what allowed me to wear makeup other than MAC. MAC was my luxury, but, oh, that's creasing really bad there, where I put that concealer. Oh, don't like that. But, you know, it's like they're raising prices so much, but they're not raising people's pay to compensate for it. So it's like, how are people going to be able to afford stuff? Okay, I'm going to try this now. This is Milani's Baked Bronzer in number 9 Dolce. Oh, it's a domed one. Oh, no. See, this is what I'm talking about. I buy stuff like this, look at it and go, oh, that's not going to work. Because it's like orange on my skin tone. Let's see if I can do it really, 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 really light. Because I don't have anything else from Milani. Well, let's try really light. Really light. Let's see if maybe it'll take on a different tone if it's not caked on. I love this brush for applying bronzer too. That's why I'm using it right now. Because it just puts the product on so... It's like it lays the product and blends it at the same time. And I love that. Oh, my hair's driving me insane. Yeah, it's not... I mean, turn the light off. God, you guys, the lighting is so bad. I'm so sorry. I wish I could figure this out. Maybe if I turn, hang on here, let's see if I turn this in. That just made it worse, didn't it? That's the only thing about live streaming that just sucks, is I can never get the lighting right. Because these iPhones, they just pick up a massive amount. It's like the camera lens lets in way too much light. Yeah, it's not bad if I just barely tap it, but it's still not the right shade for me because it's orange. Go get ready. I'm not playing. Gosh, daughters, I'll tell you. You need to go get ready. I'm going to be done here in about 20 minutes and ready to go. Come on. Okay, which blush should I try? Do you guys want me to try one of the newer ones, or, well, these are, I guess, the newest. I have these funky looking ones here that, what are these even called? Blush palette. And then, of course, I have their regular baked blushes. I have the 4 shades in those. And then I have this flower one that's just called Powder Blush, Tea Rose. And I think that's a little bit shiny. Baked one. Okay, let's see here. That is very pink. Delazio pink. What's this one? That has a lot of shimmer. Dolce pink. This looks really pretty. This Coralina. Look at that coral color. And I bought everything with shimmer in it. What the hell? Bella Bellini. I did not... Is this one matte? I think this is the only one I bought that's matte. But I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette. So probably not a pink. Not a pink. So let's try... You know what? I'm going to open one of these too. Hang on here. I'm going to open, well, I think I'm going to open this one too, because I just want to check this out, and the baked one. What the heck? Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Look at that. Let's see what she looks like all blended together. How about that? Doesn't seem to be a lot of kick up in the pan. I mean, it's not really showing anything. Hello? Anyone home? Oh, there we go. Woo! There we go. It's flying everywhere now. Can't really see it though. It's pretty mild. I would say this is definitely a buildable blush. This is not like their baked blushes in my at least first impression here. Let's open Coralina. Since you wanted the baked blush, let's try this one. I remember these being very pigmented. Wow, look at that. Yeah, see? Oh yeah. Way more pigmented. Okay, let me get a different brush. Same one, but a clean one. Holy mother of God. Maybe I don't think that I'm going to use that one. Let's go with my Motive Pro. Oh wow, it picks up a lot of product. Oh, very light, very light. Wow, these would last you forever. I mean, look at that. This sucker's pigmented. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. I mean, I literally, you guys see, I'm just touching it. Wow. That's a really pretty color. And it has that, like, gold shimmer veined through it. Very pretty color. And I just tap. Oh. A little across the band of the schnoz. Look at how dark it looks on camera. I swear to God, it's not that dark, really. It looks that way, but it's not. I'm going to blend it in, too. Go back to my Morphe brush here. Oh, these blend really, or this blends really pretty. Oh, that's a pretty blush. Nice. I like that one. Okay, highlighter. I have this one. I know that I had another one. Didn't I get another one? Oh, yeah. And then we have the liquid. Let's take a look at this one real quick. Hang on. Try this liquid out on the other side of the contour. Not very thick. It's very thin formula. It's right there. It's really not doing anything. It has a shimmer to it, but it's pretty faint. See that? But it's definitely a shimmer. Yeah. Okay, let's try this one. This is the Strobe Light #1 in Afterglow. Oh, isn't that pretty? But it looks like it's going to be too dark for me, even though it was the lightest one they had. Very pigmented. Well, maybe it won't. It's right there. And there's the liquid one. Let's see if we can build this up. Definitely a powder highlighter, though it's not like a Baked Gelée type formula. It's pretty. Let's give it a try. What the hell? Okay, let's see here. I'm just going to use this little Morphe G40. I want to use more of a condensed brush with this and see if that. Oh yeah, no, I can see it. It has a, sorry, I gotta look in the mirror real quick here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the effect it has on the skin is more of a wet, which I like, personally, myself. I don't like, well, I can't say I don't like, but I just prefer, you see that? You guys see that shine that it's putting off? Yeah. Oh, that's pretty. I like that a lot. And that's high shine. I mean, it's high reflective. It's interesting because it did not come off that way on my hand at all. But the minute, look at that. The minute I blend it in my skin is a totally different story. Okay, let's try her over here. Yeah, see, that's, wow. That definitely has a reflective quality to it, and quite a reflective quality. Okay, let's try the schnoz. See what I'm talking about? About reflection. Oh my lord! Oh, I just looked in the mirror and it's like crazy insane. Okay, let's, God, I always forget how intense it is when I get to my schnoz. Yeah, that's really pretty. And it's like the more you work it into the skin, oh, that blends into the skin really nice, you guys. That's really pretty. Of course, why I'm putting on more, I have no clue. One application was plenty enough. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. I'm just gonna... Wow. Sorry, guys, my nose is just... Oh. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. That one surprised me because when I saw it on my hand there, I was not expecting. It's like the more you work it into the skin, at least on my cheeks, the more it went. But bam! Okay, what haven't I tried? We got the blush, that bronzer, all over powder. Now we're moving on to eyes. What do you want?
Can she just do a couple of quick ones while Sabrina's driving down so she gets to go out?
What?
Can she just do a couple of quick recordings so she can go out with Sabrina?
I told her I'd talk to her when I was done recording, and she made a commitment.
I know, that's why I said.
Okay, well, she needs to stick with it. She needs to finish what we planned before... She can wait till I'm done here. Are you serious that she's sending you? Aren't you working? Okay. Good one, Bree. We're going to try the eyeshadow primer here. I told her I'd be about 20 minutes here, that she needed to get ready. Tell you, they always try to find a way out of doing what they need to do. You make a commitment. Make a commitment to things, you stick to, and she can do that any day. It doesn't have to be today where she made a commitment to me. Okay, this feels, it's one of those eyeshadow primers that, God, you know what this reminds me of? This feels almost identical to Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer. Literally. The way it applies, the way it sets, it feels identical. I'd be curious to compare the ingredients of this one with Urban Decay, because this, and the one I'm referring to is this one right here. I use this in all of my like swatch videos and primer and stuff. This Milani one feels identical. Same color and everything. Matter of fact, I wonder, you know, Urban Decay's has companies produce things for them, like their all-nighter spray. I wonder if, no, who knows? I'll have to check it out. But unfortunately, it is just as drying on my lids as the Urban Decay one is. Because my lids are looking, I don't know if you guys can see this, it's just not looking, let me turn that off. They're not looking pretty, let's just say that. Not at all. But, moving right along. Okay, I need to get, let's go on to this puppy here and see how is this sealed. Oh, I should have guessed. Okay, this is the eyeshadow palette number 8. I looked for all of their other ones because I've been hearing nonstop and I need to do my brows real quick or I'm not going to be able to see to do anything else. Anyways, I was looking everywhere for the rest of the palettes. Can't find them anywhere. I don't know where the heck Milani stocks those at. Maybe it's, I don't know, but I can't find them. And I've looked everywhere, around here at least. Just gonna do a quick eyebrow. You guys, are you like that where you have to have your eyebrows done before you do your eyeshadow? If I don't, I just can't see the shape of my eye properly. And this I'm using right here is Chella's Eyebrow Crayon in Tantalizing Taupe. I think Jess, I think you asked, or somebody asked which one I used, and that's what it is. And if you look in pretty much any of my videos, I have it linked in almost every video because right now it's the only eyebrow crayon I use. I do want to get some other ones to try. I just kind of fell in love with this one and got stuck. But I need to try some other ones. And this one's almost out, so perfect time to try a new one, especially since you can't buy these in the store anywhere. Chella only sells at their website on Chella Beauty, so. Oh, my nose is just going like crazy. I have, in case you guys are wondering why you always hear me sniffing, I just have big time allergies. I'm like chronic allergies. Not that I'm complaining, it's just to explain why I always sound like a dog with a wet nose. That's why. Okay. This is a nice little pencil though. I'll tell you, it just, you saw how quick I did that. Very pigmented, blends beautifully. And all the different pencils I've used over the years, that's the one I like the most so far. Of course, I haven't used an Anastasia one for a while yet either, but okay. Let's break into this puppy. Ow. So there she be. And of course, you know me, I had to go and buy something that has no freaking mats in it. So I'm going to have to use something else with it, otherwise I'm going to have a, oh wow, these are, holy cow. I just went in to, you know, do like I normally do. See how chunky that is? Oh, it's falling on my hand and everything. Oh! Okay, these are very delicate, because as you can, I don't know if you can see what I did to that one just by putting my finger in it. So we shall be a little more careful this time. They are incredibly pigmented. Holy Mother of God. These are, now that's a different formula there. Interesting. It appears as if, was that one? Yeah, that one's, shit, I didn't mean to do that much. These two here, the like this gold and this bronze color, are a different formula than this one here. I'm sure you can probably see how chunky these look versus that one, but you can see they're all highly metallic. But see this one, how much smoother it is than these two. They still blend out nicely, as you can see. but definitely a different formula. Okay, now let's try this one on top here. That one's same, very, very soft. Ooh, that's pretty though. There it is right there. I think the black is the only matte one in here. Aw, come on now. And well, let's see what it does on the skin. Yeah, it's not, I mean, it's, you know, nothing to write home about, but we'll try it on the eyes. Okay. Let me think here. I need a matte palette to work with this one, so I have 3 of these Rimmel palettes. Let me grab a matte palette real quick. I can't see without my glasses. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I think what I'm going to do, I actually went and picked up a few more. I have more over there that I bought, but these are I wanted to test out the new Wet n Wild eyeshadow formula to see if it's different from the other one. So I think we'll use these 2 bigger ones. This is Rose in the Air. That's the one that looks very similar to the Modern Renaissance. And then this one is Not a Basic Peach. I think I'll use, Not a Basic Peach. We'll use some of the mattes from, God, I wish they'd stop with the frickin' stickers. Drives me insane. You guys should see my desk right now. It is such a mess. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. It's freaking glued on the bottom, or taped on the bottom, too. You know, for how much these damn things are, I don't understand why they make it like Fort Knox to get into them. I mean, there's products on the market that are $100 and they're easier to get into than this. It's not like if someone, you know, they're going to suffer a huge loss if someone gets into it. Not like you want them to, but you know what I mean. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, for the love of God, come on. Why won't it open? What the frick? Am I missing something here? Chaz? What the heck? Oh, nothing. I can't get into this. I was wondering if maybe you could. Oh, there. Finally. College educated, you can't even open a container. Okay. Let's see here. I'm just going to take this. Is that matte? Yeah, I'm going to take this matte one here at the top. Oh, these are powdery. Use this as an all-over color. Wow, these are much more powdery than the formula I'm used to working with from them, from Wet n Wild. So you don't want to go into these hard. If you do, you're going to whittle away your eyeshadow really fast. Of course, I guess it doesn't matter as much when they're only $5 a piece, but still. If you're spending $5 on eyeshadows, because you want to save money, not waste it. Okay. And I'm just going to use my Natasha Denona here. I'm just going to go into this peachy colored one here and see. Yeah, these are really, can you see where my brush touched it there? And I'm just literally going like this. They're very, very delicate. I don't know what the trend is with that lately, but I wish ooh, that is really orange. I wish companies would get back to putting eyeshadows out on the market that don't fall apart at the minute you touch them. I don't know about you guys, but I just don't care for that at all. Wow. You know, I like the pigment, but I don't need something that's so pigmented that it's screaming at me, you know? Funny, I thought that was going to be a lot lighter. Oh well. Try her out. They're blending really nice. It's blending really nice. No effort at all, really. But boy, they are powdery. Dun, dun, dun. Is Green Bean online right now? Or Psycho Panda? You guys out there listening? Okay. Well, that blended really nice. So, while their formula has definitely changed, you're boycotting me? Okay, well you better get ready while you boycott. While their formula has definitely changed, because they're much more powdery than they were before, it still has a really nice blend to it. While you're boycotting, hurry up and get ready. My daughter's boycotting me because she wants to do something other than record today. But that's okay, I can handle it. It's weird because this one like darkened up here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not because the light's so horrible, but right here, you see how much darker it is on this side than this side? And I was thinking at first maybe my brush had something else in it, but I just cleaned them. So, I don't know. Oh, my allergies are just driving me insane. How long have we been on here? Is there any time? No time, no time. Great. Okay, I think I'm going to go for this one down here, and then we'll move to the Milani palette. Yeah, wow, these just pick up loads of product. But boy, do they blend really pretty. I mean, I didn't put any effort into that at all, and it just did what it was supposed to do. Impressive. I'll tell you, Wet n Wild is really up the game. You're part of a union and you're on strike. You're a dork. Hate to break it to you, there's no such thing as daughter union. And mom heads it all up anyways. So get your butt up here and get to work. Well, I ended up going a little bit more intense on this than I originally planned. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, let's blend this out a little. I cannot believe how good their shadows blend. I mean, seriously, I have eyeshadows that I, spent $50 on easy. More than that on a palette, and they don't blend this nice. Really impressive. Okay, now let's move to this one. I want to keep going with this one because I love it. Whoops. Let's see here. I do want to take this lightest one right here. And these just, they just fall apart when you touch them. A lot of product on the brush, but they just fall apart. Wow. They're very, very delicate. I know my hair looks horrible. I just don't care. God, look at that. Holy cow. My daughter's telling me my hair looks horrible. It's like, I know. Wow. Well, I can see why people are bragging about these, at least so far. Very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna, well, let me think here. I think I'm gonna go into this one next. God, there's just chunks of product falling everywhere. Holy cow. Yeah, these are metallic. The fallout is insane though. Oh my gosh. I didn't have any fallout with that Wet n Wild palette. I don't even know why I did under that eye. I didn't have any fallout. But I'm having not only fallout onto my face, but into my eyes. Yeah, these are metallic, all right. But man. I mean, look at that. That's metallic. Normally, I probably wouldn't, necessarily pick this color. It's a little too orange for me, but what the hell? We're doing it, so we might as well. I'm going to add a little of the red into it and see if that helps. Wow. Fallout is just insane though. Holy cow. It's very, very chunky, the product is. But it blends on the eye beautifully. Okay, I'm going to go into this kind of more red toned one here. I mean, look at that. It picks up product. And I'm just going to pat it over this copper. I called that bronze earlier, didn't I? What an idiot. Sorry, copper. Thank you, Bree. I know. How about you get your booty up here so we can get busy? Now my daughter's telling me my eyeshadow. Well, you guys can see the messages. Little butt. She's going to be a booger because I'm not doing what she wants me to do. And I'm trying to make it not so orange. That's what I said. But, oh well. Pretty. Okay. Now, I want to get rid of all the fallout on my face first. Oh! I'm going to take a little brush and go in back. And, man, it just, holy mother. I'm going to hit this under here. Try and bring some red into this. I think I need to get a dark brown in here too, because this is just orange. I am orange. Oh, boy, this stuff just flies in my eyes more than anything. Okay, I'm going to go back to the Wet n Wild real quick because, well, I wonder if I can use that. Maybe I can use this black in here. I'm almost afraid to, though. But let's give it a try. What the hell? Huh? Oh, okay. Well, it's definitely got more pigment on the eye than it did on my hand. Oh, cow. Shit. Damn it. That's why I don't like using black that often, unless I'm just doing a black smoky eye. Because it can go wrong real fast. I'm putting that away. Let's go back to the Wet n Wild. And I'm going to use that dark brown right there. Just making a mess of myself. I'm making a mess of myself. But what the hell? Like I say, I'm here to do it so you don't have to, right? Watch what I do and do not repeat it, then you will not have to make a mess of yourself too. Okay, wow, that ended up way darker than I intended. I'm going to go back and pick up just a little bit more of this light peach color. God, these are pigmented, holy cow. And then this light transition one here. Okay, now that I just made a complete and utter mess of myself, let's curl his eyelashes. And I need my Pat McGrath. Don't you dare start watering, damn it. This is my Permagel liner from Pat McGrath. I love this. This works better than anything I've ever used. It's got a tight line. I mean, I don't even have to touch it hardly. It's dark, you guys. I mean, watch this. It is just jet. Look at that. It is jet pitch black, and I'm barely touching it to my eye. Look at that. It is just insane. Ah, my light went off. Look at how dark that is. That's dark. Okay. I need to get some more of these. Oh my god, I love them. Now, I'm going to go back to this little pencil brush here and just blend over. You know, I think I want to put, I know this is going to make it really, really dark look. But we've already gone there, right? Where'd my damn liner go? I just set it down. Pat McGrath, where'd you go? Are you getting so small I can't find you anymore? You're gonna make me cry. I'm just gonna work this in between my lashes here. Hang on. There. Now, I'll take this and we're really going smoky. Super smoky! I don't think you guys have ever seen me with this dark of a look on. I need a smaller pencil brush. Hang on here. For God's sakes, where's my pencil brush? Well, I can't seem to find my pencil brush right now, so maybe I'll just use this little Wet n Wild one. Or Milani, I mean. Okay. It's dark. It's dark. Wow, that's dark, isn't it? Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to prime my lashes with a little L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. Because I'm out of my Lancome Sills Booster XL. If you're looking for a good lash primer that's drugstore, this is it. I mean, look at my Snow White lashes. And it's not just that, obviously, that it's coating them white that matters. Look at how long it really works. I don't even know if I want to wear falsies today. We're almost done. You guys have probably bailed by now, because since I had to change my foundation and all those things, and ended up taking a lot longer than I'd planned on. But that's the fun thing about live videos. Once I post them back, you don't have to watch the whole thing if you don't want to. You can just skip around to what you want to see. God, this primer really works good. I mean, look at that. That's just a primer. That's pretty impressive. Now you're really going to be able to see it against the black. Oh, shush up, you. Actually, you know, this would be kind of a cool look to just leave my lashes white. At least I think. Especially if I gave them a few more coats, then they'd be really white. I just wish they'd come out with this primer in a actual color, because there are a lot of times where I don't want to take the time to make sure that I'm getting, you know, every single lash covered, and if you don't, you will have white peeking out through your mascara, and it's not pretty. God, I've got major fallout just mucking up down here. Okay. I do want to take a little bit more of this Milani. Jesus, I can't open these palettes. And that lightest shade on the inside there. I want to put that in my inner tear duct. I can find a brush to do it with. Wow, these just fall apart. Very delicate. There, that brightened up the inner corner. Okay, I'm going to get a waterproof mascara because my eyes are watering. Let's see here. This is Maybelline's The Colossal Big Shot. And this is, I think, yeah, this is waterproof. And very black. So let's try this puppy out. Wow, that concealer's creasing bad. Will not use that near wrinkles again. There's the wand on that. I actually bought 2 more of these. I haven't opened them yet. I'll do them in a future video where, because I bought the Makeup by Shayla ones. Or Makeup Shayla, not Makeup by Shayla, but because I finally found the blue mascara that came out with her name on it, and I bought the black one too, just for the hell of it, just to support her. And what I really wanted and found was the City Mini palette that she had created with Maybelline. And I not only found it, but I bought several of them, so I'll be just having a little giveaway for that pretty soon. It's a beautiful palette, so I wanted to share it with you guys if you don't already have it. Wow, that worked. That worked. Just ignore my hair, you guys. It's a effed up mess. I've given up trying to do anything with it today. Holy cow. This mascara is taking what the primer did and emphasizing it, lengthening my lashes even more. I like this wand a lot. You guys see? Look at that. It's hard to see my lashes against this black, smoky mess I made of myself. Okay, let's do the bottom. Hi, Kelly. How you doing, sweetie? Yeah, it's, now you can see how dark my eye look is. I didn't intend upon going this dark, but, you know, plans of mice and men, all that. Every time I sit down with, seems like eyeshadow, I end up, I don't know, I end up doing a makeup look like I'm still 20 years old. Guess I haven't figured out yet that when you get to be my age, you're not supposed to do this anymore. Yeah, right. Says who? As far as I'm concerned, you still can. And I'm determined to prove it, apparently. Wow. Okay. Get the light off. Oh, it's so hard. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. That's the Colossal Big Shot. This one's the waterproof version. Let's see here. But you can see my lashes from the side there. That's those are just all me. Those are no fakies. That's, yeah, my Maybelline. I just threw away the box. Comes like that. And then they have the other ones. Let me show you the other ones I bought, because you might see it in this packaging too somewhere. Oh. Ah. This is the same Colossal, but it's in the colors. I can't wait to try these. It took me forever to find them. This is the collab with Makeup Shayla, and like I said, I bought several of the palettes. I think I bought 4 of the palettes so I can give them away to you guys, because I just think they're so pretty. But one is blue and one is purple. So I can't wait to try those. I just wish they'd come out with these. Yeah, I know. Especially, here's the thing, you know, like, especially if you have dark lashes, a lot of people say, well, colored mascara doesn't work on me. It will if you use this first. Because this primer, it doesn't matter, you know, what color. You can have black lashes. And if you coat them, I mean, I don't know if you saw me put this on, but after I put the, you know, I put this on before here, and my lashes were white. And then, like, if I put on the purple or the blue on top of the white primer, wow, it really stands out. So I'll be doing that in the future, because I want to record that pretty soon, because I want to give those little palettes away. I mean, it's not, you know, like a big giveaway or anything. It's just the City Mini palettes, but I've been looking for them for so long, I figured I wanted to share them with you guys. Okay, these don't match with the color I'm going for at all, so I'm not going to use those Rimmel lip liners. I'm going to I don't let it dry all the way. I let it, you know, I let it dry, you know, a good amount, but not all the way. But you know what, even if you let it dry before you apply your mascara, the minute the mascara touches it, it just kind of wettens it and, you know, kind of smooths it anyway, so. But yeah, it was almost all the way dry, just not all the way. But I'll tell you, I think primers make a huge difference, especially if you have, you know, small lashes. And this is, you know, I mean, my favorite is the Lancome Sills Booster. It works incredible. But this one I just recently found, which is the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. And I love their Voluminous Extra Black Mascara, so I thought, well, I'll try that. And it works really good. As you can see from what my lashes, if you look back in the video, you'll see what my lashes look like, you know, after I put the primer on. This is Lipstick Queen in Nude. Or I should say it's by Lipstick Queen. Her lip liner. Ah, can't see. And I want to try this Milani lipstick. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I had so much stuff on my desk I can't see. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh. Oh. Well, let's try it just for the hell of it. Really? They changed it? I wasn't aware of that. I'll have to look at that. This straight up smells like Jolly Ranchers. Damn, eyes want to water. Oh, it drives me insane. Well, I don't know if I can get away with this color or not with this, but I'm going to try it. A little lip brush here. You know what I forgot to try? Damn it, I forgot to try the anti-feathering lip liner. No, they didn't replace it. They just, well, basically they did. They gave me the money back for it on my account. So, I never did buy a new one. I just figured, you know, I'll just use the little bit that's in the bottle that remained and see if that, you know. I'm going to take this off. I know it sounds ridiculous, but I wanted to try that anti-feathering. This is just the day of apply and remove for me, it seems. How many times I've done this today? This one time. I swear to God. Well, foundation. Beauty blender. And I always foundation my lips, even though my lips are white to begin with, pretty much. I always put foundation on them because I just find that it's just another barrier that helps keep my lipstick from bleeding. Okay, so this is by Milani. This is the anti-feathering lip liner. It says it stops lipstick and lip gloss from bleeding and feathering. Primer and line filling formula in one. And it's colorless. Transparent 01. So that's what she looks like. Let's give her a try here. Oh, it doesn't feel like anything. How weird. I wonder if it'll do anything. I'm really coating it right here on the top, right there, because if you can see all those little lines I have on my lips there, and same with right there. So let's see if she does anything. Okay, back to the lip liner. Round 2. Oh, this applies smoother now. That's interesting. I can feel that I'm applying it over that other one though. It's kind of weird. Yeah, see, it doesn't want to stick as good here. But let's see. Well, give it a shot. Okay, and back to the lipstick. Of course, I don't think this would bleed anyways. Okay. Almost done. Almost done. This ended up being a hell of a lot longer than I planned. Sorry, guys. But that's, like I said, that's the benefit of... I have to too. Mine are disappearing the older I get, hun. I swear. I'm not kidding either. It's like when I was younger, my lips were much fuller. Like everything else. Yeah. Okay. Well, I can definitely feel that oh, my bangs are just a disaster. I can feel, oh, that's nice. Look at that. Look at, they're just a mess. I can feel that anti-feathering stuff on my lips. It feels really thick. I'm not sure if I care for that feeling, but we'll see. Yeah, it's a pretty one. It's kind of like a, I don't know how you describe that color. It's a pretty color. It's like a beigey pink. This is number 26, Nude Cream. I love the smell of it. I can smell it right under my nose. It smells like Jolly Ranchers. Yeah, it's pretty. I don't have, you know, I used to have a huge collection of MAC lipsticks. No, that's Milani. But I don't have, I had to throw them all away because they got wrecked in a flood that we had. They got all damaged and nasty, so I don't have hardly any tube lipsticks anymore. I need to start getting some. I can't tell if it's a cream or it feels like a matte. And then at the beginning of the video, I listed all the products I have here, and these are, you know, I thought I bought a lip gloss to put over this, but I guess these are all matte. Let me think here. I need a gloss. I'm probably just going to save all these and put them in a giveaway because I'm never going to use them. I need a lip gloss. And that didn't work. That was a no-go, so hang on here. I'm looking for a lip gloss. I was hoping I had one on my desk here that I can use. Where's my Dior one? Oh, it's just one of those days, I'll tell you. My brain is not caught up with me. Well, it looks like I don't have one on my desk, so I'm going to grab one. I'll be right back. Whoops. I need a gloss on this. Oh, I know which one. Even though, well, let me think. No, I was thinking I was going to use this lip topper from GRWM because I love it, and I'll show these in an upcoming haul. But I'm going to grab the newer one I just bought because this one's pink, and that's not going to go with my look today. So I'm going to grab Sweetheart. Where is Sweetheart? Where are you, Sweetheart? There you are. I'm going to grab Sweetheart by GRWM. And because this has a red base to it, let's see what it does. Look at that. Oh, it's red, red, red. Let's see what it looks like on top of this. Just for the hell of it. Wow. Oh yeah, it changed the color. I just have to have shine with my lips. I can't. Me and a matte lip just do not agree with each other. I don't know why. I don't think matte lips look pretty on me. think that's part of it. I just think I look better with a shiny lip. Okay. I think that's it. Now I just need some spray. And then I'm done. And that is the NYX Matte Finish Spray. Ignore the bangs and hair. What do you think? Oh! I went to pick it up and it fell down. See, this is the direction I need to be pointing when I film. I can see the difference. Look at that. It's like over here I'm in shadows. And here, oh yeah, that's much better, isn't it? You know, I think next time I live stream, even though you guys will be looking out into my hall, I could always shut the door. But what do you think? Is the lighting better in this direction? Now you can see what I did with the Milani palette. Went a little darker than I originally planned on, but like I said, that's nothing new for me. Sure makes your, when you have light eyes, sure makes it stand out, doesn't it? When you wear dark around your eyes. Okay, well, I'm going to get going now. I know, I love it too. And what I love even more is it's waterproof. So my dang watering eye right there, that's just pouring like a sieve. Look at that right there. It's not going to wash away my mascara. Look at that. I mean, by now, with how much this eye's watering, all my mascara would be gone, top and bottom there, but it's not. So, and look at how pretty it holds the lashes. Not that you want to look up my nose, but I'm trying to let you see my lashes. If I look up, can you see them? To the side. Yeah. Okay, you guys, well, I'm going to get going. Bree and I... Do they really? Wow, that's cool. Not quite as long, but still, it's nice to, you know, it's nice to find a good drugstore mascara. Maybelline makes some great drugstore mascaras, I'll tell you. Thank you. Well, Bree and I are going to, even though she's determined to get out of the house. Thanks, honey. She wants to go play with my daughter-in-law and have fun. Might let her do that, but she made a commitment today to record with Mom, so hopefully we'll get some recording done, and I'm going to finish editing, and then I'll have the Tom Ford foundation video up for you guys that I did, and what was the other one? Oh, the Pat McGrath palettes. So those should be coming pretty soon. Yay! Thank you, sweetie. Well, I would have had more for you sooner, but man, right after Easter, I just got sick. My gut, I'm not going to give you details, you can figure it out. But let's just say I didn't feel like doing anything because when I was done running back and forth from the bathroom to the couch, yeah, I just, I couldn't record. And unfortunately, I didn't have any videos recorded, otherwise I would have had content up for you guys. Won't make that mistake again. Anyways, have a good day, Kelly. I love you. Say hi to Remy for me. Sending my love across the miles to you guys. And I will see you guys again soon. Thanks for hanging out with me while I got ready and played with some Milani and some other things. Yep, Pat McGrath's coming. I've got the Decadence palette coming too. The first three palettes I don't have, but I did get her fourth palette, which is the Decadence. But the one I have recorded already that'll be up pretty soon are the 3 mini palettes. So anyways, I'm going to get going. See you later, hun. Love you. Bye. Mwah.